Small things like that. Having reliable electricity even in your own house. You are busy working on your laptop and doing things, and your children are watching movie, then pop, darkness. Who would want to come to a country like that?
Thousands who've upgraded to reliable solar that works anywhere in Kenya, from urban apartments to off-grid Maasai villages. That's why, after watching this, most viewers fire up their phones and contact Power Africa Solar. They're the pros turning Kenya's sun into unstoppable power. At powerafricasolar.com, snag top-tier lithium batteries, custom installs, and systems built for your life. No guesswork, just results. Call us today, Nairobi office, 079-2247-397 or 07947165562. Kisumu office, 0792245589 or email us, info@powerafricasolar.com. Mention this video for a free solar installation quote